Hi, I am Joey McDaniel and I'm playing Daddy Oliver Warbucks. Annie is about hope in the face of a world where maybe that's hard to come by. A world that's trying to keep you down. You've got to believe that if you work really hard and you believe in yourself, you can feel better tomorrow. Oliver Warbucks is the richest person on the planet, definitely maybe in America, and he believes that people should get to work in his factories to make more money. But really, what he's missing is someone to share that with. And that's what he's looking for. That's what he really wants. I am excited to play Oliver Warbucks because I love this show. Earnestly, no cheese. This show just fills me with absolute joy, happiness, and the belief that you can find your own happiness. Leapin' Lizards, you gotta come see Annie at Palo Alto Players this November.